Hello everyone, my name is Bumi. Welcome to my channel, Gardening with Bumi. Loving what you grow and eating what you grow. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I've been doing in the greenhouse. I'm trying to bring out some of the vegetables that I have, in the hibernating through the winter. So I'm going to go ahead and flip my camera around. Just give me a minute. This is new to me, but I'm going to try my best. So hold on, and then we'll start uh, from there. All right, awesome. So anyway, so what I have been doing all morning is that I've been trying to prune the tomatoes. Tomato needs to be pruned. You need to have airflow. As you can see, right in the corner over there is the miracle leaf I talked to you about. If you see, look at my previous video, you will see that it was so tiny. It was this much when I bought it. It was like this, so small, and now it's grown to this. I will have to repot it. Here are some tomato branches that I broke off, and I'm trying to propagate to see how it's going to grow. The peppers are not ready to come out. I am just going to kind of like wait for it, wait a little bit, because it doesn't like cold weather. Anything below 40 degrees, the pepper does not like that. So I'm trying to rearrange everything in here. Very soon the greenhouse is going to be empty. I usually don't grow anything in the greenhouse because it gets too hot, and I don't want to be wasting electricity to keep it cool. So anyway, so this is what I've been doing so far. First of all, I want to tell you something, guys. My longevity spinach should look something like this right there on top of this. It should be like this. So what happened was that I brought them out too soon from the greenhouse. The rosemary was fine. It was fine. But I brought them out from the greenhouse too soon, and this is what happened to it. It died. I am not worried because I can propagate it. I've had this for a long time, so I would just kind of like get some clippings from the one over there, and I'll just put it there. So this is the tomatoes I had to repot because it was crowded. I planted this last summer and I had too many. Actually, no, during the winter, I had two tomatoes in one of these containers, and I was like, oh, it wasn't doing so well. But now, as you can see, there are tomatoes all over the tree now, doing something. And I bought this also. It's supposed to be heat resistant. It's called Bush Early Girl hybrid tomato. I didn't even know it was a hybrid tomato, but I don't think it's gonna do much, so I'm gonna leave it. Same thing happened to my strawberries here. I brought them out too soon, and I watched a video online where this guy was building this strawberry, and I did it. It's actually called a stringer. I believe that's what it was. In my last video, I was saying it was a trellis. No, it's not. It's a stringer, and it was just two stringlers with 2x2, and I screw this plastic now and put my strawberries. I still have some strawberries that I need to plant. It's actually in the fridge now. I've been so tired because of a lot I did today. And another experiment I'm doing here is that I have two 5-gallon buckets stacked together. I'm going to let you know how that goes. Hopefully it's going to do something. I want to see how productive it's going to be. Right next to it is this my eggplants that I grew from seed. I've brought them out because when you grow stuff from seed and you have them under the grow light and the mat, you have to, once it germinates, after some time you have to take them out and let them kind of wean them from the lights and the mat. So what I did was I brought these ones while they were still in these containers, these little containers that I had these things in. I brought them out and into the greenhouse for a few, like about 1 week, and then gradually I reported them into these 5-gallon buckets, and I've been bringing them out for some time. I'm going to take them back in. I do take them back in into the greenhouse simply because the weather still dips to like about 30 degrees sometimes at night, and I don't want to lose those. Right here is my Japanese tomatoes that I grew from seeds. I am so excited about this one, guys. I grew them from seeds, but this one I'm just going to go give it to my friend with some eggplants. So I have them here potted inside this 5-gallon. I did this like 2 days ago, so it's doing something. Another thing that you need to, it's good practice to label what you have. I got these lollipop sticks, and what I did was, is it lollipop sticks? I know what it is. And then I wrote the Japanese tomato, so that way I know what's growing in there. So this is my longevity spinach, the other one that I'm going to use to propagate to get some more. This is the tomatoes I brought out from the greenhouse. This is like year 2 now. Yeah, I've gotten a lot of tomatoes. And I'm going to put a picture up so you guys can see. Right here is some bell peppers that I also grew from seeds. And I just potted them yesterday. I transferred them yesterday. And over here are some chives. They look like weeds, but they were dormant during the winter, and so now they're growing back. So I'm trying to see what I'm going to do, because I want to replace this raised bed. As you can see, it needs to be changed, guys. So anyway, so that's what I've been doing so far. The garden is not completely ready. There are a lot of things I like to do to make it more fancier, because the guy that clips my grass, comes to mow my lawn, he's always whacking his weed whacker wax on my all this plastic. I actually had some that, I had to throw out. And then I have a guy that comes to like spray the lawn, so I don't want to get any of those things in my food. Right over there are my blueberries, which they're doing, it's okay. It's gonna start, I was hibernating for now. But anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will know when I put out another video. I'm so sorry that I've not been able to shoot a video, but now that things are getting active in my garden, I'm going to be sure to make sure that I keep you guys informed. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and anyone can be. You can say, you might say, I don't have green thumbs. Hey, just start small and scale up. And if you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. I am not an expert. I am just showing you my journey with gardening, which is so medicinal for me. And I'll talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.